Madison today, the state Supreme Court struck down Wisconsin's 176-year-old ban on abortion. That 1849 law made it a felony for anyone other than the mother to end a pregnancy. It was in effect until the Roe v. Wade ruling in 1973. Republicans argued it went back into effect after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe in 2022. Wisconsin's Attorney General Josh Kaul filed a lawsuit arguing new laws superseded that 1849 law. The High Court agreed. They ruled 4-3. As it stands now, women can seek abortions in Wisconsin until viability, which can be as early as 21 weeks. This decision closely watched by people on both sides of this issue.
Tonight, in a Lighthouse report, our Charles Benson looks beyond the politics and policy debate to talk with Amelia and Toby about why they are so passionate about this issue.
I'm the youngest and the only girl.
Amelia, Heredia, or Mia grew up in Milwaukee with 4 big brothers.
I am pro-choice. It really should be the choice of the person that has to make that choice between them and their doctor.
Toby Newberger also grew up in a big family.
I grew up in a family of 7 in 9 years. So in a small town, the culture was just like abortion. I guess we were a pro-life family.
Born a few years before the 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling that changed the abortion debate, she would later become immersed in the issue, grounded by her Catholic faith and family values.
We're for life, but it's so much more than being for life. We're for a woman, we're, for the child, we're for the dad, we're for the family, we're for society, we're for the culture.
She's now the mother of 6. Newberger's pro-life journey has taken her to the March for Life rallies in the nation's capital. The more she learned about the abortion movement at protests or marches, the more she wanted to get involved. Was there a turning point there for you?
I would say it just enforced all right, if I say I'm pro-life, I guess I have to do something about it. And that was it. It's hard.
That something includes helping pregnant women.
Lilies represents, the flower is purity.
She's now planning on opening a resource center in Ozaukee County with educational and support services called Lilies of Hope.
Lilies of Hope is going to exist to say, this might be hard, but it's worth it, and it's good, and nothing brings more joy than a human life.
Mia Heredia's pro-choice journey also began at a young age.
Very early on, I started using Planned Parenthood services when I was 14.
She says painful menstrual periods and mental health challenges led her to Planned Parenthood for health care services.
Planned Parenthood specifically has saved my life time and time again. And so it's really important to me when I'm sharing my story to, one, educate people about the various services that these different clinics have, but then also talking about the real life change that I experienced.
These days, she's navigating a second master's degree while staying active on an issue that deeply matters to her. She has become what is known as a storyteller for Planned Parenthood, and recently shared her story with senators in the nation's capital.
I would consider myself a grassroots activist. I would also consider myself just Mia from Milwaukee, who is being directly impacted by the decisions that our senators and other senators for other states are making.
2 women with vision and passion as conversations continue. Charles Benson, TMJ4 News.